Hello guys, welcome to the new video. So in this video we are going to see that how we can print anything on console without using the semicolon, right? In C and C++, right? So to print anything on console in C or C++, we two different function we can use, right? uh, we can use printf or we can do cout, right? The difference between printf and cout is basically the basic difference between them is about speed, right? When you compare the speed of both these functions, then you will see that printf is faster than cout, right? In C we use printf, and in C++ we can use both printf as well as cout, right? Okay, so to print anything on console without using semicolon, we shall need to understand some more things about printf function. So whenever we use printf, suppose I am doing this printf, and I'm writing, if I write anything between these two semicolons, it get prints on my screen. Suppose I do hello here with an underscore and 1, so this particular string will get printed on my console as it is, right? But as it is a function, it returns something, right? So what do this printf function returns is, it returns the number of characters between these two semicolons. So in our case, as we have written hello underscore 1, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 characters, right? So if I just make a variable of int type, say x, and assign this printf function to it, so when the program will be run, this printf function will return the number of characters in this particular string to x, and that particular number of characters will be stored in x, right? And then again, if I will print x, sorry, and then again when I will print x, right, the number of characters will get displayed on my console, right? Okay, so to print them, and one thing more is, if there is some error, right, if there is some error in printing the string pass between these two semicolons, then it returns a negative value, right? So it returns the number of characters when everything is okay, right? And it returns negative value when there is some error between uh, on printing something on console, right? So to print the something on console without using semicolon, we can write our program something like that. If I write an if function with printf statement saying whatever I want to print, say I want to print hello world within space, right? And I just close this, and I did an empty if function, right? So whenever my program will be executed, this printf function will return some non-zero value to the if statement, right? And as we know that in C and C++, any non-zero value is treated as true, right? So this uh, value will be true, right? And the if statement will run, which is empty, right? So nothing will more will get print, and in this manner we will print hello world to our console without using any semicolon, right? So let's see it in VS Code if this works or not, right? Right. I have already written some boilerplate code here. So let's just write what we have seen. I will just write if statement, right? And I will have print if, and I say I want to print I love C++, right? Within empty if function, right? And I'm just saving it and I'm just running it, right? So you can see that I love C++ is printed on my console and I have not used any semicolon operator, right? So this is how we can print anything on our console without using the terminator operator, right? So I hope you like this video. I have just made it for fun. Actually I got this to know from somewhere and I thought I should share it with you guys, right? So thank you guys, happy coding, bye bye.